So good day everyone, it's Grizz and Taffy right on the bikes, out for a little jaunty, out for a bit of fun. Yeah, let's have fun, baby. It's it's the last day. Why am I shouting? It's the last day before I go back to work after having so much time off of work with this lockdown. And yeah, I had to get out today. I'm feeling absolutely exhausted, but I'm insistent that we get out and have a ride. Look, here is Cheddar Gorge, everyone practicing their social distancing. Everyone is 2 meters apart. Yeah, so out for a little ride with Taffy. Taffy's got the 360 cam on her bike, and yeah, no helmet cam again, but yeah, I thought I would bring out the drone as well and see if I can get a bit of footage with the drone and see how that goes. I've yet to actually use it out on a ride, and it's been a couple of months since I've used it, so let's see if I can remember how to use that. Yeah, what have we been up to? Taffy's got new tyres. Yesterday we spent the whole day in the garage together working on her bike, giving it a bit of a check over. We've not really, she's just ridden it. I mean, it's in such good condition. It's never really needed much. We just clean it and ride it, but we had it apart. I took the front and rear wheels off and got some new tyres fitted. She's got some Bridgestone S22s after everyone recommended them to us. So yeah, hopefully she's getting on okay with those. I strongly suspect her bike feels like a new one. Ooh, a chrome A8. Or pearlescent kind of look to it. So we're out, and really not really much of a subject in mind for this vlog. No real serious business going on apart from having some serious fun. And if this car went any slower, I might go in the back of him. Come on, mate. Plonker. How you getting on?
Yeah, it's awesome.
Is it? Is it really good?
I don't feel like a bag of potatoes anymore.
You don't feel like a bag of potatoes anymore?
No.
Good day, Taffy.
Oh, hello.
Hello. Yeah, so we just pulled over, wanted to talk with Taffy how she is getting on with the new Bridgestone's S22.
Yeah.
What first impressions?
It's amazing.
Is amazing. I mean, they're not scrubbed in properly yet, far from it. But I bet, how much better does it feel than...
I love it. 1,000,000%.
Yeah, because the old ones were like, they weren't really very good, were they, when we first bought the bike?
Quite bad. When we took them off, actually, you can see the
grooves. They were like, the front was worn, wasn't it? Like a triangle almost. And it was like you drop into a corner, it would just drop off. There's wear marks right either side of the middle, wasn't it?
Yeah.
And the back was a bit kind of squared off. It didn't help, did it? It wasn't a good combo. So glad we got them changed.
My tyres don't have lumps anymore.
No, your tyres don't have lumps. And you got new orangey tank protectors on, grippies,
Stickies. Yeah.
sticky grippies. Have you been gripping to your stickies?
No, I'm gripping as
That's a grippy thing.
a grippy thing.
On a grippy day. So what should we do? Should we put the drone up here somewhere?
Yeah, why not?
All right, let's put the drone up. Do you want to park up?
Yeah.
Park up somewhere, and we'll get the drone out. Right, so that was a bit of rubbish drone footage as recorded by Grizz. It's my first time I've had a go in like a couple of months, but it was a bit of fun.
It's a bit windy though.
It was very windy, hard to control it in those conditions, but I did my best. Not bad for my first attempt while just out for a ride and pulling over an inquisitive biker. Yeah, and he broke his neck. Yeah. Anyway, let's carry on and have a bit more riding. Huh?
Left my key in my pocket.
Oh dear. Back on the road. I will, at some point, Taffy will ride the 916. We'll do a swap around ride at some point. I really need to sort out the setup of this bike. The forks are, the fork clamps are too low on the forks, so there's a load of weight on the front, and to make it even worse, the tail, the ass of this seat is just actually too high. Someone's put the ride height adjuster on its maximum height setting, and it's just like, it's quite tall, and Taffy just about touches the floor with it as it is, so I'd like to make it just a little bit safer for her. I find it extreme, and I know she said she wouldn't mind it maybe a little bit lower, so I'm going to sort that out. I'm sure we'll actually transform this bike, because although it's kind of set up really aggressively, it'll be probably good on track, but for road use you just don't need this extreme geometry on this type of bike, yeah, it could be a lot more relaxed and a lot more enjoyable to ride basically, and I could probably throw it around more. It just feels really front heavy at the moment. You okay?
That kind is a bit
Huh?
slippy. The tires are a bit slippy.
Slippy?
Oh yeah, I'm going fast.
Come on. Tires are sticky or slippy?
What's happening? Even pulling away, my bike just went like boof, 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 boof. Just really jumped like first, second like jumping. I don't know, it's just really funny. And I feel like there's something wrong with the back end, but
Low on fuel?
I'm sure the back end is fine. Do you have enough fuel?
You don't have much.
I'm going that first straight fast.
Mm.
The back end just went a bit like.
I'll try it.
Going like this, like the. Have a little ride, I guess. Maybe I'm not doing something right. I doubt it's a bad brake. I doubt that it's a maybe sticky back brake or something. I'm not using the back brake that much.
Turn the wheel.
No. I was just like first, and then I was like, just normal, nothing excessive, acceleration. Second, when it was like third, it was just like a bit jumpy.
I'll just go up and down here a couple of times, get a feel. don't know. Seems fine. Maybe it was a traction control or something kicking in. Is 3 the least intrusive? Is 3 the least intrusive?
Yeah.
And you got it on full power, 3 the least intrusive. Should be alright. It feels a bit sluggish to pick up.
Yeah.
I don't know how you felt with it. Probably because I'm used to the Ducati, the torque from it.
Yeah, you're probably used to the torque. The back end,
Maybe it was squirming a bit. Maybe it's just a bit loose. Maybe it's just
had a little shaky moment, you know.
Maybe it's just the tyre being new. Maybe we've underestimated how steady you do need to go first. Just take it steady, okay?
Yeah.
Steady right home. So, yeah, having a little bit more of a steady ride home. Taffy wasn't sure what was going on with the bike, said she felt a little bit like the back was locking up or maybe sliding. I think, I'm not really sure what to make of it. I rode it and could find nothing wrong with it. It might have been gravel picking up off of the tarmac, it might have been that brand new rear tyre just providing a little less grip than it should do, obviously because it's brand new. Yeah, really hard to know actually what the problem is. No problem with those tyres, they look fine, nothing was loose, everything was done up properly. I really, when I'm working on my bike I take my time, but when I'm working on other people's bikes I take a lot more time again. I'm just real methodical with it, really take my time with it and check and double check and triple check I've done everything correctly. But it's funny jumping off of this onto Taffy's. Like, Taffy's feels really comfortable after getting off of this and super soft. Everything feels like super duper soft and smooth, and the power delivery, there's just nowhere near as much torque as this 916 delivers. I had to check with her, it was in full power mode. We also need to give her bike a service. I've got oil and filter, but we're going to do other stuff. I do the filter and plugs, give it a proper going through. It's so expensive flipping having all these bikes. It does make me wonder, like, how much longer should I be keeping 3 bikes and what should I keep hold of? But that will be a vlog, that'll be another subject for another vlog. And these tyres, they do, you know, I think even at this early stage now, 80 miles into running them in and bedding them in, and they're just like, I just get that feeling like I could just push and push and push. I'm sure I can, way beyond my abilities. Definitely a great tyre. You know, there's a lot to be said for tyres, I guess, you know, even for someone like me that is not that important to me what I ride on tyre wise, but it does give you that little bit extra confidence that you can make the bike do what you want it to do, and it will kind of, you know, comply and not put you in danger, and you've got more confidence obviously in those tyres. And that is super important when you're riding, to have confidence. I'm not talking about, you know, putting in a MotoGP experience on the road. I'm just talking about kind of, I don't know, riding like this really. This is what this bike will be used for. In the dry, nice bit of sunny day, get it out, ooh, bumpy, and have some fun, you know. And I think these tyres fit the bill completely. No problem with it. We'll just kind of lap it up really. How was it then riding back? Is it kind of like spluttering? Power delivery?
Yeah.
Is it like
Yeah.
or is it like feel like the ass is just shaking?
No, it's the power.
It had been sat for 2 months. We put the that fuel conditioner in it. Mine was a little bit blip, 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 blip as well. when it's cold. It's a bit like, and then
fresh fuel then as well.
Yeah, I've put fresh in mine, but we need to put some in yours, don't we? You're still running on it. That could be it even.
Could be, yeah.
Might have lowered
I
the.
never had that happening.
It might have lowered the octane count. That conditioner, fuel conditioner. We put a fair bit in, didn't we?
Makes sense.
We put a fair bit in.
That's why it's acting like that.
Yeah. Right.
Makes sense.
Right, people, that is enough for today. Thank you for watching. Catch you on the next one. Much love to you all. Thanks for watching, everyone. Bye. Cheers. See ya.